Welcome to my Surfer SEO review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be sharing my first-hand experience with Surfer SEO, a powerful tool for optimizing content to rank higher in search engine results. Be sure to check the links in the description if you're interested in exploring this platform further. Surfer SEO is designed for content creators, marketers, and SEO professionals who want data-driven insights to enhance their rankings. One of its standout features is its content editor, which provides real-time optimization suggestions as you write. It analyzes factors like keyword density, word count, and structure to ensure your content aligns with top-ranking competitors. This is a game-changer for creating SEO-optimized content without guesswork. Another key feature is the SERP Analyzer, which dives deep into ranking factors for specific keywords. It examines over 500 ranking signals, including backlinks, page speed, and on-page SEO elements, to give you actionable data. This makes it ideal for understanding why certain pages rank and how to replicate their success. The keyword research tool is equally impressive, offering data on search volume, intent, and keyword difficulty. It integrates seamlessly with the content planner, helping you create clusters of related topics that align with user intent, making your site more authoritative in the eyes of search engines. For teams, Surfer SEO provides collaboration tools, allowing multiple users to contribute to projects and optimize content cohesively. Its audit feature is particularly helpful. It evaluates your existing content and suggests improvements, such as adding keywords or enhancing readability to increase ranking potential. Surfer SEO is perfect for bloggers, agencies, and businesses aiming to streamline their SEO efforts. It simplifies complex tasks and offers precise recommendations, ensuring your content stays competitive in the ever-changing digital landscape. In conclusion, Surfer SEO is an essential tool for anyone serious about dominating search results. Its intuitive interface, data-driven insights, and actionable features make it a standout choice in the SEO space. Don't forget to explore the links in the description to learn more and get started with Surfer SEO today.